everyone, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Yeah. You gotta wait, okay? Can you wait? Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. I am Maggie. You want to say hi? And this is Gabe. Say hi. I wear my Christmas pajamas. Yeah. Today we are going to be making nachos, and I'm so excited. This is just a basic nacho recipe. We're going to be frying our own tortilla chips, making the meat and the cheese. I do just use like a seasoning packet for the meat just because I feel like it tastes amazing and it saves me tons of time. So I do it. No shame in my game. I'm so excited to share it with you. Super Bowl is coming up, so this is going to be on my menu, and I hope you will put it on yours as well. All right, let's get started.